Hi, my name is Kayla Lindstrom, and I propose for an application to be created called the Honey-Do List. Some problems is that people can be forgetful. They might have a lack of motivation when it comes to getting things done. And my proposed solution is to have the honey-do list. The honey-do list typically would be for the wife or girlfriend or just someone significant other, male or female. In my case, it would be me, and then my husband would be the person that would use the app after I did. And what I mean by that is the main person is going to insert chores that they want completed or tasks, and they will give those tasks a certain amount of points, and then whoever they want to complete those, whether it be their husband, boyfriend, or roommate, they can complete the chores, check them off, and when they check them off, they receive a certain amount of rewards um, that they can use to get something with. Some tools and concepts for this application. It's going to use Java collections, JSON data serialization for all the text that get inserted. It'll be a client server socket IO, and it will have the Android HTTP communication, and we'll use that to send and receive data from the application. It will be a test-driven development, so we'll write a little bit of code and then test it, fix it, and then write a little more code, kind of just adding on. And it's a never-ending process until, I guess, we're satisfied that that application is working how we want it to. We will create UML diagrams as we begin the process, and some of those will be the class, sequence, state, and use case diagrams. There'll be safe parallel processing, and at this point, I'm not sure how many will be processed at the same time. That has yet to be determined. We'll also use modern software design, and last but not least, we'll use the model view control pattern, and I'm very familiar with that, so using that for this application shouldn't be a problem at all. Here is the user interface, so an idea of how the application could look. As you can see, on the left is where the person who wants chores to be completed to get done. So they enter the chore, the points, it will add the chore to the list that you see on the right, and then the other person is allowed to check off the chores that they have completed, and at the bottom it will show them total amounts of points that they have received. That is the end of the presentation, and I hope that we were able to create this application.